वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। ये पोएट्री का तीसरा लेसन है, द वॉइस ऑफ द रेन। वॉल्ट वाइटमैन ने ये पोएम लिखी है। बहुत ही अच्छी पोएम है। अब पहले इसका सेंट्रल आइडिया, उसके बाद जो एक्सप्लेनेशन विद कॉन्टेक्स्ट, रेफरेंस, और उसके बाद जो पोएम की कुछ लाइनें आती हैं उसमें से क्वेश्चन आंसर छांटने होते हैं। ये लगभग 4 नंबर का आता है सवाल, कभी कभी 6 नंबर का भी हो सकता है। तो ये कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन है इस लेसन का। इसमें क्वेश्चन आंसर भी है, एक्सप्लेनेशन भी, रेफरेंस, कॉन्टेक्स्ट, इसमें कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन है। इसलिए इसको ध्यानपूर्वक करेंगे। ओके।
Central idea of the poem.
The
poem The Voice of the Rain by Walt Whitman signifies the eternal role that the rain plays in nurturing, quenching, and purifying the various elements of earth. The rain returns the favor to its place of origin from where it rises unseen from the depths of the water and from the land. The rain itself is explaining to the reader about its origin, work, and its cyclic movement. A comparison has also been drawn between rain and music, as both of them make the world more lively and return to their place of origin after fulfilling their purpose.
कविता का सर।
अब इसका सार है कविता का, ये मतलब इसको हिंदी में।
वॉल्ट विटमैन की कविता द वॉइस ऑफ द रेन में कवि बारिश की जीवंत भूमिका को प्रकट करता है। किस प्रकार बारिश धरती के विभिन्न तत्वों का पोषण, शीतलता प्रदान करना और शुद्धिकरण करती है। बारिश अपने उद्गम स्थल के अनुग्रह, उदारता को लौटती है, जहां से यह अदृश्य रूप में पानी की गहराइयों और भूमि से उत्पन्न हुई है। बारिश पाठक से स्वयं अपने उद्दाम, कार्य और चक्रीय गतिविधि के बारे में बता रही है। बारिश और संगीत के बीच में तुलना की गई है, क्योंकि दोनों ही दुनिया को अधिक जीवंत बनाते हैं और अपना उद्देश्य पूर्ण करने के उपरांत अपने उद्गम स्थल पर लौट जाता है। एल Stanza wise explanation of the poem.
And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower, which, strange to tell, gave me an answer, as he translated, I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. Reference: these lines have been taken from the poem The Voice of the Rain, written by Walt Whitman.
संदर्भ प्रस्तुत पंक्तियां वॉल्ट विटमैन द्वारा लिखित कविता द वॉइस ऑफ द रेन से ली गई हैं।
Context: in the given lines, the poet strikes up a conversation with rain in his mind. Poet imagines the rain replying to his questions.
प्रसंग प्रस्तुत पंक्तियों में कवि अपने मन में बारिश के साथ बातचीत प्रारंभ करता है। कवि कल्पना करता है कि बारिश उसके प्रश्नों का उत्तर दे रही है।
Explanation: the poem begins with the poet asking for the identity of the soft falling rain shower. Much to the surprise of the poet, the rain replies to his question, which the poet translates for his readers. The rain in its own voice tells the poet that she is the poem of this earth. The rain is trying to say that, as music or poetry gives pleasure to human beings, the rain gives happiness to Mother Earth. Multiple choice questions. Question 1. The poem is a conversation between which of the following? A. Poet and rain.
B. Poet and mountain.
B. Poet and mountains. C. Rain and trees. D. Birds and rain. Answer. A. Poet and rain. Question 2. What does the poet ask to the soft, falling shower? A. What do you do? B. What is your name? C. Who are you? D. How are you doing? Answer. C. Who are you? Question 3. The rain describes itself as B. The poem of earth. A. The poem of skies. D. The rain from.
C. The poem of mountain.
C. The poem of mountains mountain. Answer. B. The poem of earth. Question 4. What does the poet compare the rain with? A. Song. B. Heaven. C. Beauty.
D. Flowers.
D. Flowers. A and S. A. Song.
Question 5.
Question 5. Eternal the rain rises out of. A. Clouds and mountains.
Heaven.
B. Heaven. C. The land and the bottomless sea. D. Droughts and dust layers. Answer. C. The land and the bottomless sea.
Question 6.
Question 6. Which of the following would be latent and unborn without the rain? A. Seeds. C. Droughts. B. Dust layers. Answer. A. Seeds. D. Atomies. Question 7.
इसको ठीक
When
करके
does the
लिखो।
rain give back life to its own origin? A. By day only. B. By night only. C. By day and night. D. By midnight only. Answer. C. By day and night. Question 8. Why does the rain tell the poet that she cannot be touched? A. Because she is water. B. Because she rises in the form of water vapor. C. Because she is in the form of clouds. D. None of the above. Answer. B. Because she rises in the form of water vapor. Stanza for comprehension.
परीक्षा में पाठ्य पुस्तक से किसी भी पोएट्री के पाठों में से किसी भी पोअम का एक अंश स्टैंजा दिया जाता है तथा उस पर आधारित 3 प्रश्नों के उत्तर देने होते हैं। प्रत्येक के लिए 2 अंक निर्धारित किए गए हैं।
Read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower, which, strange to tell, gave me an answer, as here translated. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. Questions. I. Who is T in the first line? 2. What does the rain call itself? Why? 3. Why does the poet say, as here translated? Answers. IT in the first line refers to the poet. 2. The rain calls itself the poem of earth. Like a poem or song, it travels back to its source. 3. The poet had to comprehend the pattering sound of the rain and translate it for the readers into words.
अब नेक्स्ट एस्तंजा है जिसके
Eternal arise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea, upward to heaven, whence, vaguely formed, altogether changed, and yet the same. Questions.
पहला क्वेश्चन,
What does the use of word eternal indicate here? 2. From where does T arise and where does it go?
and third,
3. Explain yet the same. Answers.
first,
The use of word eternal indicates the continual process of rain as a sequence of evaporation, condensation, and falling of rain on earth. 2. The rain rises in the form of vapor out of the land and the vast sea and goes to the sky. 3. The rain says that it rises to the sky in the form of vapor. That the vapor form clouds of different sizes. Hence, the rain takes many forms, but ultimately, they all are a form of water or rain and thus, all are the same.
ओके, वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग।